You think respect disappears because of one big fight, one betrayal, one dramatic moment. But most of the time, it doesn't. Respect leaks, quietly, slowly, through tiny behaviors repeated every day, until one morning your partner looks at you differently. Not angry, not even upset, just less impressed. And you sit there wondering, when did that change? So let's talk about 10 attitudes that quietly drain respect in relationships. Not dramatic betrayals, just everyday behaviors that slowly make your partner see you as less than you are. Attitude number one, always saying yes when you mean no. You agree to things you don't want. You say it's fine when it's not fine. You hide your feelings to keep peace. You think this makes you easy to love. But to your partner, it looks like you don't have a backbone. People respect people who have limits. If you never say no, your yes stops meaning anything. Attitude number two, complaining constantly without action. You hate your job, but never apply elsewhere. You complain about the same problem again and again. Eventually, sympathy turns into exhaustion. Complaining is normal. Repeating the same complaint for months, without doing anything about it, looks like someone who gave up on themselves. Attitude number three, putting your partner on a pedestal while shrinking yourself. You treat them like they're perfect, like you're lucky they chose you. But humility isn't self-erasing. Your partner doesn't want a fan. They want an equal. Equality builds respect. Worship quietly destroys it. Attitude number four, making them responsible for your emotions. If you're upset, it's their fault. If you're happy, it's because of them. Your mood becomes their responsibility. At first, it feels flattering. Eventually, it becomes exhausting. Partners respect emotional adults, not emotional caretakers. Attitude number five, never admitting when you're wrong. You defend yourself automatically. You explain. You redirect. But two words rarely appear. I'm sorry. Strong people admit mistakes. Defensive people avoid them. Respect grows in the direction of accountability. Attitude number six, breaking promises repeatedly. I'll fix it. I'll work on it. I'll start next week. If words constantly outrun actions, your partner stops believing you. And once someone stops believing your words, respect follows. Attitude number seven, letting yourself become stagnant. You stop improving your life, goals, or health. Relationships notice that. Attraction isn't just love. It's momentum. People respect partners who keep growing. Attitude number eight, constant jealousy and insecurity. You question where they go. You overanalyze everything. At first, it looks like love. Eventually, it looks like doubt. Insecurity quietly says, I don't believe I'm good enough. Repeat that message long enough. People start believing it too. Attitude number nine, disrespecting them in front of others. Jokes at their expense. Public criticism. Sharing things they wanted private. Loyalty means protecting your partner's dignity, especially when others are watching. Attitude number 10, becoming passive in the relationship. You stop planning things. Stop initiating affection. Stop bringing energy. You're still there, but only as a passenger. Relationships need participation, not spectators. Here's what these attitudes have in common. They quietly signal weakness, carelessness, or insecurity. And respect struggles to survive around those signals. But the good news? These are habits. Habits can change. You can say no when you mean no. Turn complaints into action. Admit mistakes. Keep promises. Keep growing. And when those habits change, something interesting happens. Your partner sees you differently, not because you tried to impress them, but because your behavior changed. Respect isn't built through grand gestures. It's built through daily actions that quietly say, I'm someone worth standing beside. Because love might survive without respect, but relationships rarely do. Subscribe to LoveLens. Clarity changes everything.